The latest information about the Galaxy S24 Ultra brings both exciting and disappointing news for smartphone enthusiasts. According to recent reports, European owners of the S24 Ultra will have a Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, which is promising for those seeking a high-performance smartphone. However, there is a drawback. The benchmark numbers currently available are lower than anticipated. These performance details were obtained from Geekbench, a reliable online benchmarking site. The results indicate that the device being tested appears to be a prototype or pre-release version, as its benchmarking performance is weaker than that of the previously reported Galaxy S24 Plus using the same Snapdragon chipset. Furthermore, it even falls behind the S24 Plus equipped with Samsung's Exynos 2400 chipset. Potential buyers of the Galaxy S24 Ultra are hopeful that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset seen on Geekbench is the only one available for this model. Samsung recently introduced a premium Exynos chipset, leading to assumptions that this Exynos 2400 might be used in the Galaxy S24 lineup. Just wait a moment. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos on the latest smartphone news and everything related to the tech world. In past comparisons, the Exynos series has been considered less powerful than the Snapdragon 8 series. Customers in regions where Exynos-powered Galaxy handsets were distributed had no choice but to settle for a slightly weaker phone. Although Samsung's decision to exclusively use Snapdragon chipsets in the current Galaxy S23 family was welcomed, it appears this trend might be reversed for the Galaxy S24 family. However, there is a glimmer of hope for potential Galaxy S24 Ultra buyers. The device tested on Geekbench is not only powered by a Snapdragon chipset but is also identified as a European model. This suggests that Samsung might ensure all top-tier S24 Ultra devices in Europe will come with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the lower-tier S24 and S24 Plus models might have a mix of Snapdragon and Exynos chips. Samsung is anticipated to unveil the Galaxy S24 family at a Galaxy Unpacked event in early 2024. Traditionally, this event is held a week before the Mobile World Congress in late February, although there are indications that Samsung might be contemplating an earlier launch. Thank you for joining us in this deep dive into the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before we go, we want to know from you guys, are you excited about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? What features are you looking forward to the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech releases. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.